the end of the night. I'm tired. Somebody asked about taking off the wig and how easily or difficult is it for it to get off after you have intertwined it with your own hair. So once again, I weaved the wig strands through my hair so it looks like it's my own hair. And so now I'm just going to remove the bobby pins that I have in. I think there's one. Back here. And I don't think I have any other ones in here. I think I just had those two. So I'm going to pull it off from the back. Oh, I found it. Pull it off from the back. And I'm just going to pull it. Oh, there's that other bobby pin. Once you get all the bobby pins out, then just pull it straight up.